Okay, we're out in the country here, house we went to. And this is just one more video in the series that we do of we see a little bit of everything out here in HVAC land. And I was riding down this country road and I saw this mailbox and I thought it was worth sharing with some of my friends and colleagues. And that is a unique mailbox and a pretty cool looking mailbox. Now, as much of an old antique motorcycle enthusiast as I am, I just cannot tell you without getting a little closer what that is. And I'm gonna walk up on it. It looks like some type of Benelli or Jawa or something definitely off the mainstream. I can't tell what that used to say. Allstate. Wow. An old Allstate two-cylinder, or either, because I see one carburetor on one side, I don't see another carburetor, so it's got one carburetor and two exhaust pipes. So it may be a single cylinder. It's definitely a flathead. I'll tell you what, just another example. I'll tell you, that's just another example of how we see a little bit of everything out here in HVAC land. Look at that girder style front end with the Springer, and this mechanism is much like a girder. One center post mount for the handlebars. I'm going to assume this is either a factory race bike or a modified something. I don't know what that is, but it is definitely cool looking. Just thought I'd share it with you. Thanks for watching.